So I needed to control a bathroom vent fan, as you can see here, with a normal cheap thermostat. I picked this up from Home Depot for just about $15–20. And I needed to control a fan with this, and there is a built-in relay. You can see that right there. It says it can trigger up to 2 amps at 30 volt DC or a half amp at 120 volt AC. But the packaging says it's only capable of 1 amp at 24 volt AC. Well, I put 12 volt DC through it, and it seems to be working. My DC source is a little wall wart right there, 1.5 amp at 12 volt. So it's capable of triggering this relay right here. This is a normal automobile relay, something you'd find underneath your hood. It's got a 12 volt coil, and you're only supposed to supply a 12 to 14 volt DC through it, but I am using it to trigger a 120 volt AC fan. So the load of the 120 volt AC out of the wall is being passed through the relay. It doesn't get warm, but I wouldn't recommend doing it for permanent situations. It's just for test. I have a solid state relay on order for this application, a real 120 volt relay. I have a multimeter here showing the amount of current passing through the thermostat now. It is 0, the amount of voltage. I'm going to demonstrate what I did here. I connected the coil to I think it's the RC terminal and the Y terminal on the thermostat, and that's just the air conditioner cool relay. Right now the thermostat is on. It's 66 degrees here in my garage. I'm going to turn the temperature down until the fan turns on. So let's say 64. And there goes the fan. The little piece of paper they're showing you that it's running. The relay is triggered. It's passing 12 volt DC through the thermostat. The relay is hot at 120 volts. Temperature wise, it's very cool, but again, I wouldn't use that permanently. It's just too dangerous. And it's set to 64 degrees. I'll turn it up. Let's see what it's set to now. There it is, it turned off. And it's off. And the multimeter is showing 0. So that's how I'm triggering a bathroom vent fan with a cheap thermostat. And this is going to go in my hallway closet with all of my AV equipment, because it just gets too hot in that closet. Hope this was helpful.